bought this for one reason and one reason only. Not to charge my USB devices, but my batteries. I have, each of these are 1.5 amp batteries. Well, this is a 2 amp. So these two are 1.5, this is a 2 amp. The reason I bought this was when I had these batteries laying around on my workbench, I want to know how much juice is left in them. These batteries, the 1.5 amp and the 2 amp, does not have the status bar on these. So this will tell you how much voltage or juice, I'll just call it juice, how much juice is left in the battery itself. So that one doesn't show anything. Let me unplug this one. We'll put it on this one right here. There we go. That one's not showing anything. Oh, there we go. I forgot, you gotta push that button right there. This one has one light on it. This one will have one light. And it shows, there you go. And this one will have, this is on full charge. I just took this one off the charger before I started this video. So, I'm keeping this near my batteries just to tell me how much juice I have left in the batteries. So,